What's the best type of brochure for my small business, and how expensive are they? And how do you get one made? All this in the upcoming video. Hello America, this is Mark Hale at Wilson Print Marketing USA with the marketing tip of the day. And I wanted to say before I get into the marketing tip, if you like this content, please like below and place a comment. Help a brother out. And if you want to, subscribe to the channel and you'll be alerted to future content with marketing tips that'll hopefully help you grow your business to huge proportions. What type of brochure is good for my business? Do I even need a brochure today with digital marketing? Isn't digital marketing better? Shouldn't I do that? Shouldn't I save a tree and send a PDF to my customers? Well, the answer to that question is you should do what is effective for your business. And for the majority of businesses out there, putting something tangible in their hands, in your prospects' hands, is way better than something digital. There's just so much digital out there, people are overwhelmed with it. I don't know about you. I have emails that salespeople have sent me trying to sell me products or services with attachments on, a whiz-bang brochure on a whiz-bang product, and I flag it and I never get back to it. It just seems like the email keeps popping, more and more come in. Their email gets pushed down. They call me back. No, I haven't looked at it yet. Call me back in a couple of weeks. You start a whole cycle of, of traffic on your lines because you don't have a brochure and you can't follow up. So a hard, tangible brochure, you can deliver it via mail or you can deliver it by handing the prospect when they come. And it's got your products. It's very simple. You don't want to overcomplicate it. It's visual. They can hold it. They can touch it. It's right there. It sits on their desk. Okay, so now what style of brochure is best for your business? How should you go through that? How big of a brochure do I need? And really that's a question for you and one of our marketing consultants, because it just really depends on your business and even more so on who your customer is and who you're trying to reach and influence with this brochure, which is part of our design process where we'll help you guide through. Do you need a little simple trifold brochure? Do you need this is called a gatefold brochure, something kind of slick like this? Do you need a multi-page brochure / booklet to market your product or services? Who knows? We need to have a conversation on that. And there's a lot of ways that you can do it, and it doesn't need to be expensive. One of the next questions I get from people is expense. How much does it cost to print a brochure? Well, it doesn't cost as much as it used to. Today with digital printing techniques, you can print a really high quality brochure professionally on nice paper, and you don't need to order 10,000 of them to get the price per brochure down. You can order, 250 or 100 of these brochures and you have exactly what you need. And then if your product or service changes or your prices change, then you can change the brochure and you're not locked in with a storeroom with boxes of brochures that you'll never use. I hope you found this content useful. If you did, please like and comment below. And please help a brother out, subscribe to the channel. I hope you have a great day.